Time to go get the eggs, huh, Theo? What do you think? How many eggs are going to be in there?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is it going to be a surprise?
Yes.
All right, let's go see.
Is it going to be an Easter?
No, they're not Easter eggs. They're chicken eggs. Do you think they're going to be many colors?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm excited. Maybe there's going to be red.
Red?
Yes.
Oh, let's go see.
I'm excited. They're going to be super cool.
So cool. Ready? Ready? Go ahead. You don't let them out. Go in first. Watch out, goats. Watch out, goaties. Let's do it, man. Let's go. Show me where the coop is.
I don't know.
You don't know where the coop is?
Yes.
Where's the chicken coop? Yes. Yeah, we're gonna look in the green one. Come around this way.
Let's see. I'm so scared.
Look where the donkeys chewed on the chicken coop. Isn't that funny? They're gonna jump and probably crash.
Eggs.
Count them. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Okay, let's check one more spot.
Mhm.
Look, these are colorful. Look at the different colors. What do you see?
Egg.
Eggs. Count them.
1, 2, 3.
Nice.
And let's-
Da, da, da,
now let's
da.
count
You want to count all of them?
Yes.
All right, hop down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many?
1,
You got 8 eggs?
8.
Wow. What colors do you have?
Brown, brown, and brown, and what's this one?
That one's like a tan, like a light brown, yeah.
A light brown, and a light brown, and a blue, and then green, and then a purple.
Those are beautiful eggs. Okay, so let's count. How many blue eggs do you have? How many blue eggs?
This is blue.
Which one's blue?
This one.
Yeah, okay, hold it up, let me see. So how many is there?
Blue.
Yep, the color is blue, and how many blue?
Here's blue.
Blue's in your hand, honey. How many? How many is that?
1.
Yeah, 1 blue. Okay, put it in the basket. How many green? How many is that?
1.
Yeah, put it in the basket. How many brown? Oh my goodness. Are all of these some shade of brown down here, Theo? Are all of these some color of brown? How many of these are those all brown?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, yeah, there's 3 darker brown. So let's put those in. 1, 2, 3. And are these light brown?
Yes.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What? Count that again.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, perfect. Okay, put them in the basket.
1, 2, 3.
Nailed it.
Mama, I want to show the daddy. I want to show this blue egg to dad.
Let's go show them.
Cool, dude.
Yeah, that's what the color.
I like that one. It's blue.
Put it in. Now, Theo, do you know what we can do with eggs?
What?
Do you eat scrambled eggs?
Yes.
Yes. You know what else we can do with eggs? Make cookies.
Yeah!
You want to make chocolate chip cookies?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's make some.
What are we doing?
Maybe just put the watermelon on that mixer.
Oh boy. What's going to happen if we do that and turn on the mixer?
I don't know. Let's find out. No. Not do it.
It might go flying.
Oh, he's going apart. He's taking them apart. He came apart. Daddy, stop. Stop it. came apart.
Let me see. Oh my gosh. Well, now we know what happens when you put Legos in a mixer. Don't we?
They came apart.
They came apart. Alright, little brother. How many do we have in there now? We did an experiment?
Yeah, two.
Two. Alright, go ahead.
No, you do it. I'm scared.
You scared?
Yes, you do it. Oh!
Oh, the ball! You're doing good in there.
I don't know.
No problem. Two is no problem. Say sugar!
That's kind of like Sam. Guys! Yeah, you said I did.
Did we add the butter?
Yes.
Okay. Wait for it to turn white. Put it in here. That's good. Can you pull it apart now? Oh, good job. Pull it all the way apart. Pull it open. Pull it open. There you go, muscles.
I got him.
Uh-oh, we lost a shell. That's okay.
Oh.
Nice.
Then Mama,
I died just a little
try
bit.
wiping my pants.
Alright, ready? Let's pour in your egg and your vanilla. Ooh. Nice. What do you think, Colby?
It smells good.
Smells like cookies?
Daddy, you smell.
Power time. Good job. Slow down. Slow down a little bit. That's okay. We'll get it.
Son.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm scared. Tell you what, the baking soda.
How many is that? One. Let's do another one. That was 1 teaspoon. We're going to do 2 teaspoons. Perfect.
Mama, I can do it.
Salt.
Mommy, I really can have cookie.
Maybe.
Let's find out.
How's
Now
it
we're
looking?
gonna what Mommy good.
What kind of cookies you making, Kobe?
Aye.
Mama, maybe it's a big one.
What kind of cookies?
No, I don't like it. It's got raw egg in there.
Other shells.
We definitely never do that.
Other shells. Other shells.
No, there's no shells. It's a little sticky because I got the butter too soft, but you think it's going to work?
I think so.
Do you want to add the chocolate chips?
Yes.
Where are they?
They're bottom. They're right there.
Here you go.
I want to jump in. Yeah.
Put a little bit and then let Kobe do the rest, okay? Good job. All right, Kobe. Dump in the rest. Dump it all in. Pour the whole thing in. There you go. Thanks for helping, big brother. Cool. Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Chocolate chips.
Mommy, we have more.
No.
Chocolate chips. 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 Chocolate chips.
Sumik.
it?
Mama, this one's still warm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, she said nope.